Hello everyone, I am Bhaskar Goyal. I am from Milanmore. A study of 60 NGO. I have been learned spoken English in this NGO for 7 years. Today I will introduce about 60 in front all of you. I learned hard spoken English. I also learning hard work education. All the teachers of this NGO grade us very much. All the course in which art creation and computer art chain IT DTP FA hardware multimedia. City have 5,000 students. City has country Kasinagar, Raiditi, Milanmore, Jamtola, Gosaba, we observe her Rabindra Jayanti, Holy Mother's Day and Father's Day festival, etc. Thanks to all donors and sponsors who are supporters. Thank you.